comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is episode 16 of Dilmas. Yay! So today I want to share a deal with you all at Target. So the deal that they have going on right now, they have a buy one get one on games. And as you can see, Ebates did pop up. You can activate up to 1% cash back. Cashback is not available from Target for the following categories: electronics, toys, baby care, books, sporting goods, grocery, music, and more. Definitely check out what all is included when you join Ebates. If you haven't joined them before, there's a link in my description. If you use it, you will start off with $10 when you add your first debit or credit card to your Ebates account. Then if you need a tutorial on how to use Ebates, I do have a link in the description below. Moving on, they said the last day is tomorrow to have free guaranteed delivery by Christmas. Need to order by 11:55 p.m. Central on Thursday, December 20th. And they do have exclusions on the items for that shipping. But if we scroll down, I will put the exact link to get to this page in the description for you all. And it should automatically have it filter for buy one get one and video games when you pull up this page. If you want to remove either one of those filters, just X out of them over here. So this is what they have available, some of what they have available anyway. You can get Assassin's Creed, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, Halo 5, Battlefield 1, Fallout 4, Star Wars Battlefront, Mortal Kombat 10, Resident Evil Biohazard, Lego game, Grand Theft Auto 5. So there's a lot of options if you want to, of course, filter it even further down by the system. So say you only have a PlayStation 3, go ahead and click PlayStation 3. The only game they have available for the buy one get one for PlayStation 3 is Grand Theft Auto 5. If I take that off, go to the Nintendo Switch, which is very popular right now. And you see what they have available for that. So forth and so on. I'm not really familiar with video games. I mean, I've seen a lot of these before. I've even played some of them before, but I don't follow it like that. But I believe that these are all more dated games. I don't believe there will be anything new on here for sure. Well, that's all I have for this episode of Dilmas. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next video.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again.